Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rashmi Dhawan and today I am going to teach you about vowels. So in English language there are 26 letters and there are 5 vowels, only 5 vowels, and they are A, E, I, O, U. Yes children, vowels are like in Hindi we have matras, in English we have vowels. So in this activity we are going to color the clothes on which vowels are written. So let's get started. I will choose a color which you can easily see. So first is I. I is a vowel. So let's color I. S is not a vowel. So now O. O is a vowel. Y is not a vowel. E is a vowel. So what are vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U. What about the remaining letters? Remaining letters are known as consonants. So only 5 are vowels. Rest all of them are consonants. A. A is again a vowel. I will make another video on A and for that video this exercise is important. Before you start writing A and in front of a word, you should be very clear about what is a vowel and what is a consonant. Now B is a consonant, C is a consonant, D is a consonant, E is again a vowel. So let's color E. So what are the phonic sounds of A, E, I, O, U? A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, U says So now F, F is not a vowel. Now I is again a vowel. So we are going to color I. J is a consonant, O is again a vowel. M is a consonant, S is a consonant, U is again a vowel. So we are going to color U. So children, this activity, T is a consonant, I is again a vowel. This activity will make this clear that there are only 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. We will take another worksheet on making this concept more clear. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.